Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Ubersuggest for affiliate niche planning, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in Ubersuggest and hit enter. Locate the official Ubersuggest website from the search results. Click on the link to access the Ubersuggest homepage. Once the page is loaded, look for the sign up button located in the top right corner. Click on the Sign Up button to create a new account. You can choose to sign up using your Google account or by entering your email and a password. Fill in the required information based on your chosen sign-up method. After signing up, you will be directed to the Ubersuggest dashboard. To begin with affiliate niche planning, enter a broad keyword related to your niche in the search bar. Click on the search icon to generate data relevant to that keyword. Once the results appear, take note of the Overview section, which includes key metrics. Scroll down to the Keywords Ideas section for a list of related keywords. Focus on keywords that have low competition and decent search volume. Next, click on the Content Ideas tab to find popular articles in your niche. Analyze the titles and content strategies of these articles for inspiration. Look for opportunities where you can add unique value or identify gaps. Return to the dashboard and explore the Traffic Analyzer feature. Enter the URLs of competitors in your affiliate niche. Review their traffic sources and top-performing content. Utilize this information to inform your own niche strategy. Make sure to take notes on useful keywords and content ideas. Once you have gathered enough data, brainstorm your own content topics. Define the specific affiliate products or services you want to promote. Start planning your content calendar based on your findings. Finally, use Ubersuggest regularly to refine your keywords and track your performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.